and welcome back to Shakuntalam classes exclusively for PED studies. Today we will be discussing 30 questions from the paper Principles and Methods of Teaching. So starting with question number 1, who developed inductive deductive method of teaching? Option A, Socrates. Option B, Dalton. Option C, John Dewey. And option D, Aristotle. So the correct answer for this question will be option D, Aristotle. Coming on to question number 2, Dalton method is also known as option A, inductive method, option B, unit method, option C, laboratory method, and option D, lecture method. So the correct answer for this question will be option C, laboratory method is also known as Dalton method, and it was developed by Helen Parkhurst. Coming on to the question number 3, which method is also called as chalk and talk method? Options are option A, lecture method, option B, storytelling method, option C, Montessori method, and option D, playway method. So the correct answer for this question will be option A, lecture method is also known as chalk and talk method. Coming on to the next question, how many types of feedbacks are there? Option A 3, option B 2, option C 4, and option D 6. So the correct answer will be there are 3 types of feedback. So option A will be your correct answer. So 3 types of feedbacks are positive, negative, and the mixed feedback. Coming on to the next question. Question 5. How many stages are there in feedback? Options are option A 3, option B 6, option C 2, and option D 8. So the correct answer will be option number C. There are 2 stages in feedback. Question number 6 is, who gave the old lesson plan? Options are option A Simpson, option B Hunt, option C Dewey, and option D Herbert. So the correct answer for this question will be option D, Herbert gave the old lesson plan. Coming on to question 7, what is triple ST? Options are option A social service stand, option B social science skill, option C A and B both, and option D none of these. So the correct answer to this question will be option D, none of these. Question 8 is, the best way to teach a concept to student is option A abstract to concrete, option B known to unknown, option C difficult to easy, and option D unknown to known. So the correct answer will be option number B, known to unknown. Coming on to question number 9, the principle of true teaching as nothing can be taught was given by option A Swami Vivekanand, option B Rousseau, option C Rabindranath Tagore, and option D Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. So the correct answer to this question will be option D, Sri Aurobindo Ghosh. He believed that the child can construct knowledge himself. Coming on to the next question, question number 10. Who proposed the theory of education? Option A, William Herd Kilpatrick, option B, Thomson, option C, Rousseau, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option number C, Rousseau. He was the one who proposed the theory of education. Coming on to question 11. As per NCF 2005, teacher should act as an option A mediator, option B dictator, option C, facilitator, and option D, instructor. So the correct answer to this question will be option C, facilitator. Teacher should act as an facilitator. This was given by as per NCF. Coming on to question 12. What is SAGE on the stage model of teaching? Option A, child-centric education. Option B, teacher-centric education. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of these. So the correct answer to this question will be option B, teacher-centric education, where teacher is the active one and the students are the passive listeners. Coming on to question 13. Armstrong was the proponent of option A, lecture method, option B, project method, option C, brainstorming method, and option D, heuristic method. So the correct answer will be option number D, heuristic method. And what does the term heuristic means? To discover. Coming on to question 14. We move from specific to general in option A, inductive method, option B, deductive method, option C, drill method, and option D is discussion method. So the correct answer for this question will be option A, inductive method. We move from specific to general in inductive method. Coming on to question number 15. Practice is made in option A, inductive method, option B, deductive method, option C, discussion method, and option D, drill method. So the correct answer for this question will be option number D, drill method. Practice is made in drill method. Coming on to question 16. The Socrate method is known as option A, lecture method, option B, inquiry method, option B, discussion method, and option D, question answer method. So the correct answer will be option D, question answer method. The Socratic method is known as question answer method. Coming on to question 17. According to Kilpatrick, the number of projects are option A, 5, option B, 4, option C, 2, and option D, 3. So the correct answer will be option A, 5. And who gave the project method? So the answer will be W.H. Kilpatrick. Question 18 is drama or play method is useful for teaching. Option A, history, option B, science, option C, maths, and option D, chemistry. So the correct answer will be option A, history. Drama or role play method is useful for teaching history. Coming on to question 19. At highest level of hierarchy is option A, evaluation, option B, application, option C, understanding, and option D, analysis. So the correct answer will be option A, evaluation is the highest level of hierarchy. Coming to question number 20. What is the name of Yashpal Committee Report 1993? Option A, teaching with knowledge. Option B, learning while playing. Option C, learning without burden. And option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C, learning without burden. Question 21 is, who became the first education minister of India? Option A, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Option B, Hari Giri. Option C, Shri M.C. Chagla, and option D, Dr. K.L. Srimali. So the correct answer is option A, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Coming on to question 22. Teaching is a option A, unipolar process, option B, tripolar process, option C, bipolar process, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer is teaching is a option C, bipolar process, where one element is the teacher and the second element is the student. Coming on to question 23. What is DPEP? Option A, Distant Primary Elementary Program. Option B, Department of Educational Program. Option C, District Primary Education Program. And option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option number C, District Primary Education Program. Coming on to question 24. Who wrote Applied Imagination? Options are option A, John Dewey, option B, Aristotle, option C, Alex Osborne, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option number C, Alex Osborne, who is also the proponent of brainstorming method. Coming on to question 25. Who gave Bunyadi Shikshan? Option A, Yashpal Committee, option B, NL Tiwari, option C, MK Gandhi, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option C, MK Gandhi. Coming on to question 26. Who is called the father of pedagogy? Option A, John Dewey, option B, Froebel, option C, Pestalozzi, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer will be option C. Pestalozzi is known as the father of pedagogy. Coming on to question 27. Who developed the word pedagogy? Option A, Herbert, option B, Osborne, option C, Armstrong, and option D, Dalton. So the correct answer will be option number A, Herbert. Herbert developed the word pedagogy. Coming on to question 28. What is the highest level of teaching? Option A, objective, option B, subjective, option C, reflective, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer to this question will be option C, reflective. It is the highest level of teaching. Coming on to question 29. What is the basic education system? Option A, Nai Talim, option B, Bunyadi Section, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C, both A and B, that is Nai Talim and Bunyadi Section is the name given for basic education system in India. Coming on to question number 30. What is IAPL? Options are Indian Association of Programmed Learning, option B, Indian Assisted President League, option C, Indira Association for Paralympics, and option D, none of these. So the correct answer for this question is option A, Indian Association of Programmed Learning is IAPL. So these were the 30 questions for your paper 1, Principles and Methods of Teaching. I hope you are preparing well. Take care and all the best.